It's time for the ultimate bedroom clean with me. On today's to-do list, I'll be tackling overflowing laundry, doing a full seasonal bedroom deep cleaning where I'll be cleaning all of those hidden and forgotten spots that never make it into my weekly tidy, from dusting under my bed and behind furniture to refreshing every surface. This is the perfect extreme cleaning motivation if your bedroom needs a complete reset. And to finish off the space, I'll be adding some dark, cozy bedding for a romantic, moody bedroom aesthetic that's perfect for creating a relaxing retreat. So whether you're looking for cleaning motivation, deep cleaning inspiration, laundry motivation, or bedroom makeover ideas, grab your cleaning supplies and let's reset our spaces together. Let's start by tackling our bedding that we just took off so that we can go ahead and fold those away to place inside the linen closet. For those that may be new here and you're not familiar with my laundry routine, when washing my whites, I like to go in with a pure baking soda. That is the first product that you guys saw. And then I like to go in with my scent beads at the base of my machine, then adding all of my whites on top. Before I add my laundry detergent in my measuring cup, I like to go in with a base of tea tree oil, which helps to kill bacteria. After that, I use my bleach because I love bleach, and then I add a decalker into my washing machine as well, and that is my washing ritual or routine for my whites. And I always wash my whites on hot. Before cleaning down my surfaces with a wet substance, I'm going to be using my Sagriton disinfectant spray. I like to first go in with a duster, so I'm going to dust the surfaces down and then go ahead and wipe them with my Sagriton disinfectant. And I'm going to do this over all the surfaces, including my television as well as the remote controls. If you guys are interested in shopping my cleaning supplies or my home in general, make sure you check out my LTK page because that is where I add everything that I purchase, all of my inspiration boards, if you guys are interested in finding out what I enjoy and what I like and what's inside my home. So go ahead and check me out on LTK and let's be friends over there. To avoid the over build up of dust bunnies under my bed and on my furniture, I do like to go behind and under my bed every month. So every time the first of the month comes, I'm going to push this bed and I'm going to get under it because it just makes the room feel so much cleaner and so much fresher. Also like to go in and flip our mattresses as well as the mattress toppers just to make sure we're getting an even wear and tear. While the mattress is airing out and actually breathing, I'm going to add some Febreze on top just to help it to smell nice and fresh. For my mirrors, I'm going in with a homemade mix that is just vinegar, some dish liquid, and water. And I'm just going to spray that all over the mirrors and clean it down with my handy dandy newspaper. I know you guys are sick and tired of me saying that, but I love the shine a newspaper gives a mirror. It just looks so amazing. And then I'm also going to take my Sagraton spray and I'm going to spray down the wooden parts of the closet, and I'm just going to wipe them down, just wipe down the doors as well as the handles. I decided not to clean the windows today because I'm going to set cleaning the windows aside for a specific date, and I'm just going to go around the entire house and just clean all of the windows, and I'll probably take you guys along with me for that. So we're not going to do the windows in today's deep clean. For my mop mix, I'm going in with a floor cleaner that's in a lemon scent, as well as some orange essential oil, some extremely hot water, and just a splash of vinegar. This allows my room to smell so good. It smells so fresh. Oh, I just love it. If you guys have never tried that combination, you definitely need to give it a try, and then come back to this video and let me know what you guys think about it. I just absolutely love a dark bedding. It just feels so cuddly and so relaxing, moody. I just absolutely love it. Have you guys started decorating as yet for fall? I'm seeing so much fall decor. I just have to ask, have you guys started, and when do you think I should start? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you as always for spending some time with me, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will probably be a deep clean of the kitchen because we really need to tackle that oven and that fridge. Girl, I have been falling off. So until next time, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen, and you guys take care of your mental health and make sure that you are refilling the cup that you are pouring from. Love you guys.